Hey guys, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase volume in Davinci Resolve 18. So here I have my basic video with an audio track. The fastest way to adjust volume in Davinci Resolve is by dragging this horizontal line directly on the audio track. So here I just lowered the volume of my background music. Now, you can also change volume in Davinci Resolve by going to Inspector tab and selecting the audio track. Here you have all kinds of audio controls, but the first one is the volume, and it's exactly the same controls that we used in the previous example, except now you're using a slider. And if you want to restore audio volume to its original volume, all you have to do is just type 0 inside this box over here. This will restore original volume to 0% change. There's also controls for normalizing your dialogue or music, which basically will change the volume of your audio clip to the average of entire audio track. Here, Davinci Resolve also has the built-in Equalizer, which can help you adjust your audio at different levels. And so guys, this is pretty much all there is to increasing and decreasing volume of your audio tracks in Davinci Resolve 18.